It's a video of my Red Wing model hit and miss engine. Just to give you an idea of the scale. That's how small it is. It's beautifully detailed, a little pinstripe. Running this off Coleman's fuel. It's got a drive pulley for accessories. One thing that it also has, part of this is this little sawmill that hooks up to it with the pulley. Runs off a little 9-volt battery. And let's start this baby up. On switch here. Here's the muffler. You can see the hit and miss outline. It opens the exhaust valve. Got the governors on the side there. Just a little bit. Right. There's another video that I have the sawmill hooked up. It runs a little while, but then it runs out of gas. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little model hit and miss engine. Let's see if this one will start. Alright, tune into my other videos. You'll see a lot of videos on Black Forest clocks. Can be found at blackforestclockcollectors.com, our website. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye now.